Ooh, welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is calling out Erica, or the landlord Erica, and he's saying that she doesn't like peace. He's saying that she's the one that's causing all the havoc on social media, and not only her, but her and Ashanti. He's saying that she loves stirring up drama and that is the reason why social media is in at the place where it's at right now because she doesn't want peace. He's saying that the collectives, like everyone else, they want peace to reign, but she loves to dig up drama and to have things, looking a mess at all times. He's saying that he is hoping to grow and he will grow further than they will ever grow and they will see the outcome very soon. Now, he's saying that the only two people basically on social media that's really causing a problem and that they're the issue from what he is seeing is just Ashanti and the landlord Erica, and they should stop. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video, see what Dwayne has to say about them. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all the lovelies out there that is having or that are having a birthday today, happy birthday to you all and enjoy your day. Now, you should look forward for a prosperous birthday filled with joy, peace, and happiness. And for all my other lovelies out there, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Angela Merchant, I'm going to tell you wholeheartedly, you are a functioning, Angela Merchant, you are a functioning schizophrenic. I'm saying this to you unapologetically too. That drugs that you get up every day and consume, it is messing with your brain cells, Angela Merchant. I'm talking to you. I'm not coming at you sideways. I'm telling you the whole truth and nothing but the truth. I feel like the drugs you've smoked or you continue to induce into your system, I'm going to tell you one more time, it is frying your brain cells. Hence why everything I do, what I've been doing lately, you have a problem with that. Darling, I don't care. You are sent on social media by the devil himself. You are here to divide people, keep people divided. You, Angela, I see you. I really see you. I see who you are. You and that midget, I keep on telling you, at this point, the both of you, in my eyes, are PLCs, products of leaking. Finish it, you know. This has been your tactic for far too long, a very long time. This has been your tactic. Keep the collective divided. Because once we are divided, there's always going to be chaos and confusion and rift. You and that midget. I'm telling you wholeheartedly, the problem on social media right now, I see my own two eyes, are you and that midget. Everyone else, bear in mind, yes, we might have a little rift every now and again. Darling, you and that midget are the problem here. I'm going to tell you one more time, you are a functioning schizophrenic and you need help. I can't help you. I am sure the live I did yesterday, I spoke so well, but you saw what you tried to do? You tried to pinpoint fragments I said in my live about the midget. And even if I inserted some of those planker women in it. Those are the ones on his page, the toxic minions. And anything I said about them, I stand by it. Porty, don't you see? You are the devil's advocate. You really are. You don't like peace. You don't like peace. Not just you. That other product too. You don't like peace. Every day that God creates is a day where we should get up and say, thank you, Lord, for allowing us to come out here and open our eyes. Do you know how many people is dying right now as we speak? Do you know how many people didn't wake up this morning? These are the questions you people should be asking yourselves. Do you know the fact that we was able to open our eyes, how amazing it is? We have so much to be so much to be thankful for. But no, some of you, all you want to do is come out here day to day and cause chaos. Not saying if chaos happens, let it happen on its own. Don't be the author. Don't be the creator of that script. Let it happen by itself. Angela Merchant, I promise you, you really are the devil's advocate. I see you. And nothing you say about me, it will ever alter my trajectory. It will never. Not anymore. I am evolving. I am elevating. And nothing, I don't care who don't like me, as long as I have the real people who's going to roll with me until this damn train crashes. As long as I have them. Little is much when God is in it, Angela Merchant. You and that other one, you are so thirsty. You people are so thirsty for Donegal's followers. Donegal, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm putting your name into this. I'm very sorry, but it's the truth. They are thirsty for your followers. Donegal, I'm going to tell you this. You are at a level now. If you just look for yourself, you are at a level. At this point, you're a brand. You're a brand. These little riffraffs, Angela and that midget, they have nothing to lose. Do you people know how many brands get cancelled? Go and scroll Twitter. Big names cancelled a lot of times. And you know why? Because of their decisions or because of affiliations, associations. Donegal, I heard you said something. When we get there, I will elaborate. I will elaborate. Porty and you, midget, I promise you, if I continue on the path I'm on, by the end of this year, I will be at a level none of you will ever be able to reach me again. None of you. The difference between me and you people, I have ethics instilled in me. I have values instilled in me. Most importantly, principles instilled in me. I know how to love people. You two truly are the devil's advocate. And I don't care what no one says. I don't care what no one on social media says. I've taken time to study you people. All of you. Every single platform holder. I've taken time to study all of you. You know why? Because I have a lot of time on my hands. A lot of time. A lot. Porty, you will go down. The fact that you have stolen so much money from these people, and you have the audacity, to be so bold. You are a very hateful woman. I saw what you did on that live stream you did. I saw everything. You are trying to cause confusion. But if those fools who follows you, if those fools, I'm going to refer to them as fools, if they follow you, then clearly the fool are leading other fools. And it is what it is. You can never pit Donegal fans and me against each other. They are going to be fighting a battle by themselves. I promise you people, I promise all of you, if I mess up this time, I want all of you to unfollow me. Every single one of you who watches my page right now, every single one of you who watches me, I want all of you to unfollow me. Because I will not be worthy. I will not be worthy of your follow nor your support. Porty, let me tell you one more thing before I go into Donegal. Stagnancy is never a good thing. It is a beautiful thing to always want to evolve and elevate. Elevation is what sets us apart from stagnancy. You, from what I see, from what I've analyzed about you and that midget, I promise you, the both of you will always be stagnant for the rest of your lives. I swear. Even on your dying bed, you are going to be a very, very hateful human being. You see me? I know how to love and love unconditionally. You know why? Because I grew up with love. I grew up with love. Angela Merchant, let me call you by your government name. The race is not for the swift. And this goes for all of you. Every single one of you who's listening. I know a lot of you won't interact. That is fine. You won't like, you won't share. That is also fine. The race is not for the swift, but those who can endure this race. And by enduring this race, be a damn good human being with ethics, values, morals, and principles. Those are the things that will set us apart from the riffraffs. Understand? I know I'm not a riffraff. The question is, are you, all of you in the live right now, are you a riffraff? Angela, this goes for you too. Are you a riffraff? Anyways, people, elevation is always a beautiful thing to want to evolve and elevate. Understand? Whether you hear me or you don't, I don't care. I said what I said. And anything I said, I stand by what I said. Anything. My page. This is my page. I don't want no one in my comments moving forward to be saying anything hateful to it. Listen, if you can't have a constructive dialogue, I will block you. I'm not chasing Plank Nation followers. I'm not chasing Royal followers. I'm not chasing none of your followers. I want people to come to me for the person I've shown them to be. I am. Understand? I am going to purge my page. I promise you, I will purge this page. And I've already started the transition. Continue to put out your hateful comments and watch. You will have to come back on the fake page. I promise you. You know why? Because a lot of times, on a while I say, on don't like people, but trust me, I am a lot of your medicines, respectfully. I know who I am. I am a lot of your medicines. I want to know why you hit me. When I ask me, I tell you. Anyways, let us jump into Donegal. Donegal style him wicked. And I loved it. I loved it. I'm like, you go, girl. See him, so that Donegal saying so. That is just a start, though. That was just a start. Oh, and to style him, because they want to bring Marcy Campbell's name in our chat with their mix-up self. Mixy them. You see, a lot of you mix up big women. Because I see a lot of you are silver foxes. When I say silver foxes, I mean all both on the grave. The one on the ear grey, all both on the grave. And it's people like you causing a lot of confusion on here. You women are not true supporters of Donegal. I don't care what none of you say. You are not her supporters. You're just here to cause chaos and plan. You're not. You're not. Donegal, we are not a no team. We are not no team. But this what you did. I'm gonna commend you. Let's just listen. Let's get into it.